Hi viewers, today we are going to have Mathi fry or sardine fry for dinner. Thought that we should share this because very tasty and sea fish. So what we have added just now is ginger, garlic and pepper. I would not call it paste but crushed. Now we are adding the masala part. As you can see, Kashmiri red chili, almost 2.5 teaspoon, coriander powder, almost 2 teaspoon, some turmeric powder and vinegar. That will be about 1.5 teaspoon. Salt as per taste. We need to now mix this thoroughly. Added all the masala into this, and now we are going to do it in a very special way. So this is the pan we are going to use. We have added oil now. Deep fry will be required. And this is rice powder. Now we are going to dip the fish one by one and straight into the oil. It's a delicate fish, so needs a lot of care while handling this. 5 pieces have been put for the first time for frying. So finally it's time now to have dinner. Don't think that this is over fried. This is perfect. This is only because of the rice powder on it. And this is the final dinner. Very tasty. The aroma is not available because it's a mobile phone, if I can say so. Look at this small piece of achar. Wonderful. The typical curd curry known as mori curry in Kerala, and a few fish fry, and this is amla chutney, adding more to it. This is a grand dinner. Even in a good hotel it will be very difficult to find this, and very cost effective. Viewers, I would request you to please subscribe to our channel and also like my videos. Thank you so much. Take care.